I know this feels illegal because of how well it works, but this system has consistently made me upwards of $2,000 a day. And I'm only 22 years old. Now, before you click away thinking that this is some crypto pump and dump scheme or some shady dropshipping nonsense, let me be clear. I'm talking about digital products, high-ticket programs, and services that actually solve painful problems for people. In this video, I'm going to show you how anyone can start making serious money online without being some guru or expert with 20 years of experience. You just need to understand the game and be willing to execute. So let's get into it. The first step of the puzzle that most people completely miss is that you need to sell high-value digital products, programs, or services. Forget about the $10 ebooks that nobody reads or buys, or the cheap courses that sit in someone's downloads folder forever. I'm talking about real value that creates real transformations. You can sell digital products like courses, templates, and toolkits, but make them actually solve a painful problem. Your other option is to sell high-ticket programs priced between $1,000 and $10,000 or higher that focus on helping your client achieve a profound transformation. It's not just information dumping. Because look, in 2025, information is free on the internet. People pay for a transformation, for implementation, for accountability, for a structured path to their goal, not just for information. The third option is to sell done-for-you services, meaning this time, instead of showing someone how to do something, you or your team do it for them. You can charge $1,000 to $5,000 per month per client, and even more sometimes, even if you don't personally know how to do the skill, how to deliver the service. Yes, you heard that right. You can build an agency and delegate the actual delivery to freelancers on Upwork, Fiverr, or specialized platforms. So basically, you handle the sales and client communication. You're the middleman, and that's not a bad thing. That's just smart business. That's what every business in the world does. Think about it. If a client pays you $3,000 a month for social media management, let's say, and you hire someone for $800 to do the actual work, you're making $2,200 profit per client just for being the connector and managing the relationship. Scale that to 5 clients and you're printing money. The key shift in mindset you need to make this work is that you're selling results, not your time. You're not trading hours for dollars. You're selling outcomes and leveraging other people's time and skills to deliver them. Nobody wakes up thinking, I really want to buy some coaching or some services. But they do wake up thinking they wish they look better without fat diets or long workouts. They wake up thinking they need more sales for their business, or they're unable to fall asleep because they feel so lonely and they'd love for someone to show them how to get dates. People don't usually care about the medium through which the transformation is achieved. All that matters is that they get what they want. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now here's the thing that separates people making money from people just dreaming about making money. The power of posting free content. You need to build a personal brand and an audience. This is non-negotiable in today's market if you want to make the big bucks. Sure, you can have a faceless account and crush it, but if you're willing to show your face, you're already putting yourself ahead of 99% of people who are too scared to boldly present their offer to the world. The way you want to build trust is by sharing knowledge, tips, case studies, or your journey completely for free. Pick your platform. It could be YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, wherever your target audience actually hangs out. Then go all in on creating valuable content consistently. If you sell a program for at least $1,000 and you post daily valuable content for 6 to 12 months, you will see that your life will never be the same. Most people just don't have the guts to start or to stick to it when they face inevitable dips. Making content is the easiest money you'll ever make in the long run. People who are so against making content are shooting themselves in the foot for no reason. It's like wanting to run a marathon while you're carrying an elephant on your back versus running the marathon without the damn elephant. And instead, you have shoes that make you run 20% faster. Now, in which scenario do you really think you're more likely to reach the finish line? Content is your leverage. In fact, it's your unfair advantage because every piece of content you create is working for you 24/7, building trust, demonstrating authority, attracting your ideal clients. While you're sleeping, your YouTube videos from 3 months ago are still converting viewers into customers. And here's where the magic really happens: retargeting. Once you have content out there getting views and engagement, you run ads to people who've already engaged with your content. These are the easiest conversions you'll ever get and the cheapest ads ever. These people already know you. They already trust you. They've already consumed your free value. The ad is just a reminder that you have a paid solution to their problem. Just by doing this, you can easily double your revenue without changing a single thing about your business. When people are already warmed up by your free content, everything changes. They're not cold leads who've never heard of you. They're warm leads who've watched your videos, read your posts, seen your face, heard your voice. Ads to warmed up leads mean far higher click-through rates and lower cost per acquisition. Your ad spend goes further because you're not starting from zero trust. You're building on the foundation your content already created. And here's the beautiful part about scaling. You can duplicate ads, funnels, and services without personally touching the delivery. If you're selling a service and you're delegating fulfillment, adding another client doesn't really add too much to your workload. You just get another freelancer or expand your team. Now, sure, you've got to manage them, but this is leverage. You don't need to be the world's biggest expert. You don't need to be an expert in fact. You just need consistency plus a solid offer and a solid funnel. That combination will beat raw talent every single time. I mean, I'll tell you for a fact, plenty of experts know everything on certain topics, yet they're pretty fucking broke. Tons of smart, hardworking people are broke too, because they don't have the right formula. The most talented person who never markets themselves makes $0. But the decent person with a great marketing system makes thousands. I know some people would think that this is too good to be true. I'm 22 years old. I consistently make thousands of dollars a day and it's mainly profit, like 96% of it. I have the freedom to travel. I've upgraded my lifestyle completely. And I started from absolute scratch. I was born in a broke family. I didn't have a massive audience initially. In fact, I'm still nowhere near famous at the time I'm recording this. I don't have any fancy skills per se. I didn't have a trust fund or a safety net. Again, I come from a low middle class family. My dad was a nurse, my mother a nursing assistant. I just learned a proven system that worked to make money. I executed it and I refused to quit when it got hard. That's really all you need to do to outwork and out-earn 99% of people. I'm not showing you this to brag. I'm showing you this to prove it's possible for someone who started with nothing. If I could do it at 22, you can do it at whatever age you are right now. I've worked with over 100 clients by now. Dozens have been able to generate an extra $1,000 to $3,000 a month from home. Just like dozens have also been able to quit their job and earn more than they previously did. Some of my students have even gone from $0 to $10,000 a month in 90 days or less, and they had no previous business experience and limited free time or money. We are proof that this system works. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. So let's break down the step-by-step execution blueprint so you can actually implement this instead of just consuming information and doing nothing with it. Step 1. Pick a high-value digital product, service, or high-ticket offer. What problem can you solve for people? What transformation can you help people achieve? Don't overthink this. Look at what you've already figured out in your life that other people struggle with. Or look at the topics you already have an interest in, and then ask yourself, what problems are these people facing? That becomes your offer. Step 2. Create and post free content around your niche. You can do short videos, long-form videos like this one, written posts on LinkedIn, threads, whatever format works for your platform. Share tips, insights, stories, case studies, your journey, and be consistent. You want to post daily or at least several times a week at the bare minimum. Step 3. Collect an audience of warm leads. These are people engaging with your content, commenting, liking, following. They're raising their hand saying, I'm interested in this topic. That is gold. You will find your best buyers there. Step 4. Run retargeting ads to engaged viewers. Show them your pet offer. Make it clear how it solves their specific problem. These ads don't need to be fancy. They just need to be clear and direct. Step 5. Close sales while delegating fulfillment if needed. If you're selling a course, you create it once and sell it repeatedly. If you're selling a service, you hire the talent to deliver while you manage the client relationship. Step 6. Scale by duplicating what works. Create more ads to similar audiences. Maybe sell more products, but really, you don't need to sell more products to get to 100K per month profit. And most importantly, you want to keep posting content to build brand authority. This will be your biggest asset over time. Now, to make this work, fixing your broken mindset is essential. Look, to be perfectly honest with you, back when I tried starting my first service business around 2022, I procrastinated for 7 months because of the lies I kept telling myself. I kept telling myself it was too good to be true, that I couldn't possibly deserve success. This is dog shit, okay? You need to stop telling yourself limiting stories that will only drown you. It's time you start feeding yourself a story that empowers you. First, you need to understand that selling a $2,000 transformation is actually so much easier than selling a $10 ebook if you do it right. Because people don't value cheap things. They value transformations, big life changes, finding love, becoming confident, quitting an addiction for good, making more money, getting in shape with minimal effort, etc. These are the things people want. You always want to price based on the outcome, not on how much time it takes you to deliver or what it costs you. And never ever ever charge per hour unless you want to stay broke. Second, content isn't optional. It's your leverage. People avoiding content creation are handicapping themselves for no reason. They're making everything harder than it needs to be. Stop resisting the one thing that will make making more money easier. Third, you don't need to know everything. You just need to sell solutions. You learn as you go. All you have to do is to be one step ahead of the person you want to help. You can even hire freelancers if you sell services. You can partner with people who know more than you do. Your job is to be the bridge between the problem and the solution. Here's what most people don't understand about making money online. They think they need to be perfectly qualified before they can charge money. They think they need 10 years of experience or some fancy certification. That's only your limiting beliefs talking. The market doesn't care about your credentials. The market cares about results. If you can help someone get from point A to point B faster than they could on their own, that's valuable. That's worth money. Everything else is just a story you're telling yourself about why you can't start yet. I see people spending years preparing to launch when they should be launching imperfectly and improving as they go. Your first offer is not going to be perfect. Realize that. Your first clients are not going to be perfect. Your first piece of content won't be perfect. In fact, it's probably going to be shit. So what? Just put it out there anyway and iterate based on the feedback you get. I've made close to 1,000 long form videos. And I'm still improving every time. The people making $2,000 a day aren't smarter than you. They're not more talented. They're not special. They don't have some crazy lucky circumstances. I sure as hell didn't. They just started before they felt ready, and they stayed consistent long enough for the compound effect to kick in. Most people never succeed because they don't have the patience to do the right things long enough, that's it. So here's my challenge to you. Pick your offer this week. Decide what problem you're going to solve and for who. Then, start creating content around that problem. Don't wait for the perfect setup. Don't wait until you feel motivated. Just start. In 6 months, you can either be 6 months into building this system with momentum and results to show for it, aka money in the bank, or you can be in the exact same place you are right now, still thinking about starting someday. The choice is yours, but the system works. I am living proof. Hundreds of other people are living proof too. So the question isn't whether it works. The question is whether you're going to do what it takes to make it work for you. Stop carrying that goddamn elephant on your back and put the running shoes on. Otherwise, you'll never win that marathon. Start making content, build your audience, make your first offers, scale what works and cut what doesn't. Now go out there and make it happen. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.